I'm gonna piss in my pants.
Oh my god, I gotta see it!
I got a different position.
I can't breathe, you guys.
Wait, hold on. I really can do this. Okay, wait. Oh, you're still recording?
Yes.
Okay.
You can talk your way through it too. It might be better.
Okay.
Wait, did she lose her?
So it's this
What's your
thing.
plan? What's your plan of attack?
Can I take this off?
What's your plan of attack, Amanda?
Break your refrigerator to prove that she can
I
spit.
need to lift this thing too, so that it doesn't.
It's to get in the fridge.
Okay.
Okay.
Why just cut the door off?
Because her whole
Okay.
thing is she wants to prove she can
If we
open it
were
with
in
her
Jurassic Park, I said I would hide in the fridge, and then Dean was like, "You can't even get out of the fridge," and she was like, "Yes, you can."
You really can't.
No.
No, yes, you can. I'm not gonna be able to get out.
But I think with this small one you can. Like, it's really not that much force, but like, isn't it like the dynamic type thing?
Can't
Like,
even fit in the
long-
fridge. How are you supposed to get out?
Even so, like your
It's gonna be like feet marks all over the fridge.
I can't believe you're seriously trying. That's why it's so funny.
She's like, "Okay, I need someone to lift my leg."
Okay, someone help her out.
Wait, not yet.
Okay.
Okay, someone put the leg in. Okay, wait, if I lift it up.
I need to pee really bad. Oh my god.
Just force it. Close it.
Okay, smash her if you need to.
Okay, wait.
Amanda, next try and fit in my fridge. It's smaller.
Okay, wait.
Someone knocked on the ceiling.
Huh?
What?
Wait, nuh-uh. Now you're
Someone knocked on the ceiling up there.
On our
Oh. Yeah, turning off the lights is a good idea.
Yeah.
Okay, my back is going to dig into here, so this is the best way to do it. I need to reposition my legs.
Okay, maybe if you like put your head like at the
Maybe
bottom
put
and your feet
Put
up.
the leg on top of your
That's a
head.
great idea, Helen. No. That is a good idea. No, that's a bad idea. It's the knee.
Hug your head with your legs like this, like go up.
Yeah,
like this,
use
and
your
then put
gymnastic
like-
skills.
No.
Become a contortionist.
Use your gymnastic skills, Amanda. You can do it.
So just do it so you can record my stupidity on camera.
I want this video, by the way, Chris. Can you send it to me on my laptop later?
It's this leg. I need to get this. Okay, what if I do this?
Okay,
Just cut it
okay,
off.
I got it, yeah. What if you just chopped off both legs? You totally fit.
Okay, it's in. It's in.
Oh my god, go! Go! Go!
No.
Plan of attack! Plan of attack!
No.
Plan of attack!
Push it in, you dumb.
Hi.
Ow, it's digging into my. How close is I?
It's your back that curves out though,
It's
and
your
you
back,
can't
yeah,
get
like-
it past the bottom thing.
This thing?
Yeah, like your door is too in it, like the refrigerator. If it was like a
Aw.
flat door.
Maybe if you tried Samantha's fridge.
That's a good idea, Helen.
Like that's gonna work.
Yeah.
Well, look, you can totally fit your head up there.
Oh, okay. What if I do a headstand into it? Okay, what if I go
Oh my god.
Everything on top is totally gonna
I
fall.
can't do it. I wish we were friends with Marianne. She could fit. Okay. No, turn it off. That's how I am.
Okay.
Four.
Wait, before I turn it off, talk about the V first.
The V. Quite possibly the sexiest muscle in the male body. You see the V, also known as the sartorius muscle, curves right here. It is very suggestive. For example, Chris here has the V.
I have
Excuse
love
me.
handles.
Well, I
Go,
would
go,
love
go
to-
check
Okay,
Dean's.
so
What are you doing?
let's show the V. No. See the V?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
The V is very suggestive.
Hey!
sexy. It is very masculine. Chris looks
Doesn't
more
have
like
one.
Yes.
He's a butterball.
Chris doesn't have one.
I like the analogy of taking a needle and sticking it in you and inflating you.
That is very mean. Clearly,
He
Chris.
said it.
I don't know what you're talking about. Please film Samantha Baker. Samantha, do you have anything? I'm going to put the stuff back in the fridge.
Why would the final?
Oh, sorry. I cannot fit in. What about George's?
You guys are all gonna fail.
Have you reviewed all the
Whatever. I'm not the one who can't dodge a ball from the butt.
Which one are you on?
Hmm?
Which one are you on?
I just look over
Yo
the notes.
soy on el 10